This is me again. So we have a top load Samsung washer, uh, and model number is WA45N30508WA4. So it's a self clean, and never pass. So this one is stop on rains, so it's get water, and if you put on rains and spin, so without clothes it work. It's get water, doesn't matter any cycle. Then if you put some clothes on him, in a small amount it's work, but if put it medium or large, so it is stuck on rains. So I did a diagnostic mode. It didn't tell me anything, so which is on once it's stuck on rains and during the draining, so I can hear some noise, kind of try to force it or push it, whatever you say. And so I just replaced this one, put in a new one on him. So to do that, you need to remove these hoses first, these clips. You can use a hand or you can use a plier. So then you need to do you need a forehead screwdriver, so you can reach it. Those there's two screws, one is here and one is in front right here. So once you unscrew those two, so you're able to take the water pump and you can replace it. Thank you so much. There was a quick video. Hope this video help out, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.